Hello my beautiful friends, I am back at Dollar Tree because there is tons of new Christmas out, so I want to come here and show you everything that I'm seeing. So if you are new, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back. So let's jump right into it and get started. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing are these really cute little, I'm not sure what to call them, little, what is this material, but these are really cute. Just something simple you can literally just throw on the wall. They also have the Santa one, Santa Know Me. But I do like the truck one, very classic, just just the usual. And let's look down here. They have the little trucks as well. This says Merry Christmas. They have them in both red and they also have the little green tree. Okay, so just those. And they also have the little penguin and the little elf. Very cute. It's really exciting, and I did come extra early just because I wanted to make sure that I caught everything before it's people start messing around with it. So I can kind of show you everything nicely displayed. And look at this, I love these. A very classic scene. Merry Christmas. Oh, and it's actually layered, so that gives it a nice little dimension, and it does have that rope around it, which I know it's sort of a classic for Dollar Tree. Christmas wishes and hot cocoa kisses. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, almost missed this one. Little ornament. Oh, it's a little clip. That's cute. That would be nice for the tree or for your wreath. Oop. I'll fix that. And look at this one. Merry Christmas, 'tis the season, and so on and so forth. You guys get the idea. And look at this one, home for the holidays, as well as this one also does have that raised texture right there, so it's like two pieces together, so it gives it a nice more dimension. We wish you a very Merry Christmas with the glitter. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it is very glittery, and it's cute. I like that kind of the faux ship, the faux like wood. This one says hope and has that kind of metallic print on it. And that one says faith. Of course, you have a little Merry Christmas, very glittery. And I absolutely love these tags. Peace, blessings, and this one says joy. So I wonder if there's a different sayings on each one. These all say peace. These all say be merry. These say joy. And of course, these say peace. So, okay, those are the only ones. And look at those. I love these one as well, but this one is so cute. I don't know, it just gives me, I feel like it's great for the cocoa bar. It's the most wonderful time of the year. I don't know, it just gives me a very cozy vibe. And this one as well. But I actually really do like both of these, so it's kind of hard to choose which one I will pick. And let's see. I think we've seen these in previous years. So, and one thing that I have heard a lot from you guys is that there is definitely a lot of repetition from previous years. So it is a kind of hoping that they will bring out more. So I may hit a second location because I think there's another location that has more Christmas out as well. So if there is, I'll definitely let you guys know. Look at these, Merry, just the season, and Merry again. And this one, season's greetings. So there we go. 3 different ones. So the last time I saw this one, this little guy was missing, and no, I just found another one. So now I know what the little gingerbread man looks like. I'm gonna grab this one now because these are going so fast. There's literally only one in the bunch I've already checked. So look at these cute little glasses. Very flashy. So, all right, let's continue on and see what other items we can find today here at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, I don't think I've seen these. Look at these ones with the black hat, and then it's got the little red beanie. Very cute. Definitely new. Yeah, I definitely have not seen those yet. How cute is that? Alright guys, so as promised, I am at a second location, so I do apologize if there's some repetition and some very chatty people behind me. But look at these, winter blessings, and look at this one, home for the holidays. Oh my god, that's beautiful. That's the African American family. And look at this, reminds me of oh my god, I forget her name from Oh, that's cute too. Look at that Santa. Oh wow, that's so adorable. Hillary from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I don't know why it just gives me that vibe. Like early 90s vibe, like kind of Whitney vibe. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I love Whitney though. So that's always, look at these. Oh my God, this remind me of the little sleigh. Oh, these are so cute for 125. Look at the detail on this. Holy cow, that's actually made really well. And this Merry Christmas Santa. I love these. Let's see if there's any other ones. I think these are all the same. And this one says Let It Snow. I think there's another one behind it with the little candy canes. How adorable is that? And this one says Let It Snow. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Oh, I like this one as well. It's a wonderful time of the year. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You guys, I am so excited. I know I'm like at 20 because I should finish decorating for Halloween, let alone even fall, but I'm already excited about Christmas. And I like these. This one says ho, 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 believe, and snowflakes. I'd send you a blizzard, huh? Oh, if kisses were, okay, yeah, I think so. Those are all the same. So how adorable are these? And I know there's a few more items, so let's continue looking and see what other items that we can find. Wow, obsessing over these gorgeous trees. These are so nice. They're pretty big actually too. For $1.25 is definitely a great deal. Yeah, so excited. I decided to come to a second location, and they have more of those little trees which I showed you in the previous clips. And let's see if there's any other ones. Oh yeah, these are the little candy canes. I don't think we've seen these actually. And they also have the gingerbread man, which I know everybody's going crazy for this year. Everyone is loving gingerbread man and nutcrackers. Those seem to be like the biggest sellers this year. So how stinking cute are these? All right, let's keep looking and see what other goodies we can find today here at the Dollar Tree. And yes, deck the halls, you guys. Oh my God, there's even more. Like as I said, I saw at the corner of my eye. I'm like, I'm pretty sure there's more signs. So here I am. Look at these. Merry Christmas. Love these tags. There's always got to check because there's always different ones behind. This one says joy. Again, let's see if there's any other ones behind it. Yeah, this one says Noel. And peace. So there's 3 kinds, I think. Yep. And look at these. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let's see. I think these are all the same. Oh, and then the one behind it is the little truck. Merry and bright. These are so adorable. And then the truck, the red truck rather, the red car. Joy to the world. And look at these. This one says peace. And look at all these little ones. Merry and bright. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Joy to the world. Peace. Believe. Yeah, these are so cute. Christmas blessings. I love these little houses. And I know we saw these already. And I guess I'm seeing, oh my God, okay, I see more Christmas, so I'm gonna not freak out. I'm gonna keep showing you guys what I'm seeing right now, and then I'll take you to the next section. And then Joy to the World. And I love these long ones too, perfect for like outside if you want to like hang, if you don't really want to hang something too big outside, or if you're afraid people might steal it, this is a good item to put out there. These are so stinking cute. And this one does have the little kind of like a 3D feel to it. Let's see if there's any other ones behind it. It's the same. I think these are all the same. So here we go. How gorgeous are these? You guys, I'm so excited. Christmas is officially here at Dollar Tree, and I'm here for it. All right, so there's even more Christmas. They put out more of these little trees, which I know are super popular, so get them while you can. And they do have the pastel colors as well. Look at these. And let's see, they have little stars. No, so this is the tree rather, a little Christmas tree. And then look, they even have the little socks. To how it's nicely, neatly organized, and they have the little gnomies. So I know they're supposed to have the other ones as well, the big tall ones. So that's the ones that I'm waiting for. So I'll do a giveaway once those hit, because I know those are always so hard to find. And look at these gnomes for the holidays. Hope you guys can hear me. There is some very loud chatting going on. Oh, look at these. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, wow, they're pretty. Oh, so they're pretty heavy. That's because they're like stuck together. These are so cute. And look, they have tons of scarves. Wow, you guys, Dollar Tree is hooking it up this year. They are hooking it up. Okay, let's see. And they have these. This is a little elf scarf. Oh, scarf. Oh, and it's literally just like, oh yeah, it's literally just, I guess it's like a very skinny scarf. Let's see. No, we've seen these before. How cute. Obsessing. Oh my God, I have to buy this for my friend. My friend's baby is obsessed with Minions. I have to get this for him. So cute. And a little Paw Patrol. Oh, and look at these bags. Wishing you a very happy holidays. And this one says Merry Christmas. Oh my God. Look at this cuteness overload. Look over here. They have these that says Merry Christmas. And the bread truck is back as usual. It's a classic. It's a must-have. Fresh cut trees. Let's see if I can get one. Oh, they even have the gingerbread man. How cool. Okay, so there's two kinds, I guess. Let's see. Fresh cut trees, and of course the gingerbread. Let me actually see if there's any more. Oh my God, look, these are all the 3 ones that they have. There is tons of Christmas, you guys. I'm seriously freaking out. I didn't even notice the little ties. I'm so excited. When we were missing stuff, I'm like, this is the whole point of me being here, is to show you guys everything. And I'm just so overexcited and overwhelmed that I'm just like skipping stuff. So I may have to go back and re-show you some certain items in case I miss them. So, but yeah, look at these. And I'm seeing even more Christmas, so let's continue on. And don't forget, I have tons of videos out right now, including my first ever Home Goods walkthrough, a new Ross Christmas walkthrough, and as well as my previous Dollar Tree walkthrough. So if you guys want to go check those out, I will link them down below. And look at these little baking items. How adorable are these? The baking spirits bright. Look at these. How cute are they? The tiny little baking sets. And they also have the warm wishes with the gingerbread man. And if you want to make a little loaf, warm wishes with the gingerbread as well. And then this one as well. How cute. Oh my God, these are going to go so fast. So hope you guys snatch these up at your local Dollar Tree. And more little containers with the gnomies, snowflakes, gingerbread man, Santa's belt. Again, tons of stuff. Mrs. Claus. I don't see a Mr. Claus. Just making it spirits and bright. Oh, those are cute for cocktails. Rather have wine on the shelf. Oh, that's funny. Cheers. Jingle juice, elf sized, ho ho ho. Oh my God, these are so cute, stinking cute, you guys. I can't. Seriously, cuteness overload. And these are giving me high-end vibes. I know so many stores are carrying this year, so I'm actually really excited to see that Dollar Tree has something very, very similar. These are actually really nice. So $1.25 is a great price for these dupes. And I know we've seen these many years, and they are back. They are definitely a classic or a staple here at Dollar Tree, but definitely excited about these. Let me know in the comment section which item is your favorite so far from Dollar Tree. And look at these ice cube trays. I know a lot of people do use these to make candy molds, or right, to make candy rather. These are so stinking cute. Like the little snowman as well. I don't see if there's any other designs behind it. Oh, and then these are the little candy canes and such. How cute are those? So definitely snatch these up while you can, because these usually go really, really fast. And look at these. This one thing I absolutely love about Dollar Tree is their greenery. Just look at the detail on these. It's kind of high up for me, so I do apologize, but I hope you guys can see everything perfectly. And then look at these down here. I love this one right here. This one's really nice. Again, just I love the detail that they put into their greenery, especially for the holidays. This stuff usually will run you a lot more at a regular store, so I would definitely say Dollar Tree is your place to go to when you need new greenery, especially for the holidays. Just look at these. Look how gorgeous they are. Wow. There's really not much you need to say other than just wow. And there's more up here. I hope I'm not making you guys dizzy, so there we go. How gorgeous are these? And a few more down here. All right, let's keep exploring. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be back later this week with more exciting videos. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay blessed as always. Bye.